Nurse One, is that your experience as well?
Yes. For you mean, are you asking about the cost of living?
Yes.
Yes.
And just to keep your expenses low.
Yes, definitely. You have to keep your expenses low. I think I posted one of my videos before. Your My minimum salary versus the cost of living, it's my savings really, really low. So you really have to be wise in choosing an agency and everything for you to have a better American dream.
Mhm.
Apartment wise or the houses here, it's not as expensive as in Louisville. I started with $425 for one bedroom. It's studio type. Then you can have like a two bedroom. It's like 500 or 600. Then three bedroom would be like $850 to $1,000. So
Good prices.
Yeah, those are
um,
very good prices.
Uh-huh.
I
yes,
live in California. I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't think you could buy like a doorknob for that in
and
California.
it's a really good. The rooms are usually big. I don't know. They like it big here in
Mm.
Kentucky. So it's a really good place. Like if you wanted to have a big space, you won't have any problems here. Um, what else did you say?
Very, very spacious.
Yeah, spacious. Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.